I just want to say a big thank you to the guys from Viral Vault. Over the years, I'd watched the importance of getting found in Google with videos, but I never thought it would be something I could do because I hate being on camera. Then I heard about Faceless videos, so it became feasible, and also I heard about the TikTok Creator Fund, which would be a great income stream for me when I finally get round to retiring. But at the moment, I'm just too busy with my offline and online businesses to learn something new. So I took the Done For You service from Viral Vault to grow my AI history channel. The guys have been great. I've had a lot of help from them and highly recommended. Thanks very much, guys.
Hey, what's going on? Kevin Ebsworth here. Thanks for being on my channel. Please like, subscribe. And if you guys are into network marketing, home-based business, and you want to generate a ton of viral traffic using TikTok, YouTube, or any other social media using AI, I've actually got my own viralvault.uk program that you can use and actually master viral traffic from only $27. Go and check out, the link is down below. Now today I'm going to be doing a review on a program that was called Faceless Flipping. It's now called University AI, but let's talk about Faceless Flipping first. So Faceless Flipping came about sometime last year, and yeah, it was the big craze. They were promising to get like 1 million views and 10,000 followers. Now, for those of you that don't know, TikTok, when you get 10,000 followers, you open up the TikTok shop, and no, I think it's 5,000 followers, you open up the TikTok shop, 10,000 followers, you open up the creator program. And if you have over 1 minute long videos that get over 1 million views, you can get $1, up to $1 per view on your videos. Now, the whole idea was to create a whole business, a whole faceless business using the Faceless Flipping and TikTok. And this was solely based on creating faceless AI videos. Now, to start off with, I went on board, I bought the $27 product, and then I upgraded to a diamond level, which was around about $3,000. The comp plan was for every $3,000, if you get someone to sign up to a diamond level, you get $1,000. So I managed to get a few people signed up to the $27, but they didn't really upgrade, and you know, they decided to flitter off and do their own thing afterwards because it wasn't for them, which is, you know, fine. But that's what happens in affiliate marketing. Well, anyway, the promises that they were making were false, shall I say. I felt like there was something that was happening in the background that they weren't telling us. Now, the whole idea about making faceless videos was to create a whole TikTok account without getting your face involved, creating AI videos that people can watch and like and comment on there. Now, some of them went viral, and I'm going to get back to that. So when they went viral, it was amazing. It was an amazing feeling. So I had a video that hit over 1 million views, but there was something fishy going on. So as I said, I was going to get back to it. I'm now going to tell you a lot of the things that they were promising. They were promising 10,000 followers. They were promising 1 million views. All that was complete, utter bullshit. It was absolute rubbish. They were using bots to boost your account, basically. So you were given this account that had 10,000 followers on there, which weren't real people. So they were false people that were coming on, or that they were creating, or they had a piece of software that would create, you know, 10,000 people, 10,000 followers. And the watch times on your videos were less than a second long, maybe 2 seconds at most, but a lot of the time they were about a second long, which does not qualify you for getting rewards with TikTok. So the minimum time required is 5 seconds or more for a minute long video. And when you got 1 million views on a video that went absolutely viral, as they said, without using any bots, yet the watch time was only a second long, which started to ring alarm bells. And then a lot of people cottoned on, and the problem with this company was they weren't giving refunds. All the hype, all the BS that they promised you, they weren't giving refunds. So they switched, they closed the Faceless flipping down, and they switched it to University AI, which they do the same BS again and again and again. They offer you an account to build your account up to 5,000 followers, and then they guarantee you make $5,000 from that, which is all bullshit. So would I recommend this product? No, I would not recommend this product. I would run for the hills if somebody tries to sell you this product. It is not worth the penny that you're going to spend on it. I would rather listen to a load of crap on YouTube than watch the training videos that were apparently really good on there, which are not. They're not good training videos. They're nothing like what we've given you on Viral Vault. So that is my review on the Faceless flipping stroke University AI. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comment in the comments down below, and then look out for my next video. Thank you for watching.
Okay, what can I say about Viral Vault? If you're serious about starting an online business or learning about how to promote yourself on TikTok, $27 is a no-brainer. I mean, Bruce and Ebsy, what they've done and what they provide is out of this world. It's beyond anything you're gonna get in any other organisation for the price, and for that kind of entry fee. Yeah, I mean, you're learning not only video production, producing videos, you're learning about AI, you're learning about algorithms, how TikTok works, you're learning about how to stay ahead of the curve. You're also learning a life skill that can be taken outside of TikTok. You know, I've learned so much about video production and AI and how I can utilise that in other parts of my business world and my life. It's incredible value for money, and I mean, if you want to go down that route and get yourself known on TikTok or discover and understand how it works, there's just no better place to be for the money. So do yourself a favour, get signed up, get learning, and then and also it's fun. Let the adventure begin. So that's all I have to say about it. You'd be mad not to give it a go.